How's it going in Dino and Dino?
Hi. Hello. Welcome.
You got 2 drinks?
I'm dual wielding today. One for hydration, one for energy. Hello everyone. It's Night Tiger. How you doing? Welcome to the stream.
So this is New Egg Now, where we talk about food, build PCs, sit on the couch, pretty much everything.
There's no couch now.
Yeah, no
It's just building computers.
But just we have the couches in the other room, ready to
It was
use.
600 watts for this. Seems.
Well, you know what's funny? I think I did this build. And we were just roasting Zach about the case.
You used the case.
But yeah.
Or did you give him this stuff and then he finished the rest of it?
I'm pretty sure I did this one.
Oh, you did. Your name is on it. Prepared by Jackson. If you guys have Roblox games, we will try them on stream with a donation.
Yes, you do have to donate if you want us to play your dumb Roblox.
Like I did donate, and I was like, all right, I'll play a Roblox game.
God, it was just so weird. I thought it was gonna be something like. And I remember he wanted you to keep playing it. Didn't it get really dark or something?
Yeah, it was weird. It got spooky towards the end, and I was just like, I'm done.
You're like, I'm done.
I'm done.
No more.
Free PC case upgrade. We're rocking an Antec case now. Is that really? Honestly, the case probably look very similar.
Yeah, this is definitely it, right?
Yep, that's it.
Here.
Yep.
We're doing it right now.
Doing it live.
Epic, we'll do it live. I'm logged into my own Instagram. Crap,
Oh god, I gotta take the power supply out again.
Instagram. I meant to say.
How dare you?
Website.
Make me take the power supply out again.
I told you.
I'm having like Linus flashbacks taking on fans.
Matt, are you taking out the power supply again?
God, I could just hear his voice. Like, I have nightmares of Linus just saying, like, we're taking the fans out. Are you unscrewing the fans again?
Dude, I remember, like,
Guys.
I remember we would, like, the Discord thing would come up and we'd hear, guys, he's coming back to you guys. He's coming back, and we're just like, no.
Whenever
no.
you hear him, he's just like, dude, I'm like, oh no, he's coming back.
He's back.
Leave us alone, Linus.
Can I stream with an $800 budget? So that's a good question. We actually did a video on the YouTube channel not too long ago where we built a
What's the point?
we built a $350 gaming PC, and it was $350. It would play all of your basic games at like 720p, 1080p, and then we tested it in streaming. We did like a full streaming setup. And do you remember what the total for that was? Like 600 maybe?
Yeah, 600.
So $600, we did a full setup. So yes, it is very possible. However, if you got to be playing games like Fortnite, Minecraft, Valorant, like League of Legends, World of Warcraft, you're not going to be playing like Warzone or anything, because that PC would barely even play Warzone as is, or any of the Call of Duties for that matter. So just keep in mind you're going to have a limited upgrade path when you go with like one of those pre-builds, but out of the box, it'll get you started. It's a really good starting point. It's not like it loses value or anything. I mean, it's already like a 10-year-old PC that's still worth money, so you can always resell it once you're ready to upgrade. This is the build the dreams are made of. This really is going to be a really well-balanced build, though, guys.
To be honest, just tune in Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. You get 10,000 toasts easily every week. There you go. That's what Syrian said.
I mean, hey, Syrian, he is here for like every stream, so if anyone...
Oh yeah. You get 2.5 in. Jack, thoughts on new Apex season? I don't think he's been playing.
Yeah, I really haven't been. I've seen like the new hero and everything. I've heard he's pretty cool. But yeah, Zach and I, we just kind of like every single season we get to like the top of plat, and then we don't play enough. So like we always would like just barely touch diamond, and then we'd like stop playing. So I don't know. I got to the point where it wasn't fun trying to climb anymore. So now we're playing ranked Overwatch.
How's that going? Getting any better?
I don't know. We don't ever have like a good team. I think I'm like.
You're not getting ranked too high to where like.
No, right now my rank, I think I'm like silver on tank. So.
But I also have to do plays.
Yeah, no, I mean we were. I say you can check out if you go to Toasty Clips, our other YouTube channel. There's actually a lot of gaming highlights where you can find a lot of them were Apex for a while. There's like Brawlhalla. Zach, I'm just saying, Zach and I when we played Brawlhalla, we were in the top. I think it was like 3,000 players in duos in the world, I believe. I don't know if that's saying much because it's Brawlhalla and it's a little bit more of a dead game at times. But
Jack said Battlefield 5 is free on Prime Gaming. Go download it.
Okay.
Ever thought of a cooking channel or something different? We have a lot of channels. I don't really think we need a cooking channel.
You know, if we were going to do another channel, I totally think I'd pick that.
Yeah, that'd be fun.
I think my ultimate dream is, you know how Good Mythical Morning has like the whole kitchen?
Yeah.
And they have that second channel that just does, that's the dream.
Yes.
I mean, because we spend so much money as is on food and drink for the place.
Companies to send us food.
If we just had our own personal chef at that point, we'd be complete. I'll talk about it. It's New Egg Now today, but
I mean, if you're
Callie's
wearing
just
it,
wearing
I mean, you
some
can't do
cool-
anything about it.
some cool merch. Just ignore the hat. Those guys suck. But the shirt though. Is it actually still a thing, by the way, the hat?
I believe so.
Is it
Actually, even more so, I believe. I think he now owns a full farm and everything.
Wow.